Sonos Ace headphones have sparked a significant quantity of excitement and anticipation within the personal audio community. They have finally emerged after years of speculation, bearing a wealth of information for eager consumers. Yet with such a lengthy build-up comes a significant weight of expectation, especially for a brand like Sonos, known for maintaining high standards. The competition in this arena is fierce, and Sonos will undoubtedly face scrutiny in every aspect to meet the lofty expectations set before them. Among the myriad comparisons that will inevitably arise, one of the most prominent is with the Apple AirPods Max. Sharing a sleek design and a premium price tag, the Sonos Ace appears poised to challenge the AirPods Max head-on. However, the question remains, how do they stack up against each other? Upon inspecting the Sonos Ace, it is impossible to avoid drawing comparisons to the Apple AirPods Max. The Ace features a minimalist, streamlined over-ear cup design that is somewhat reminiscent of its Apple counterpart, albeit with slightly smaller and more rounded cups and a less glossy finish. Initial concerns about the Ace's smaller ear cups were quickly dispelled upon trying them on. They provide ample space for the ears, thanks to the chunky memory foam ear pads, similar to those found on the AirPods Max, ensuring comfort during extended wear. A notable distinction lies in the choice of materials. While the AirPods Max feature fabric ear pads, the Ace opts for vegan leather. Early impressions suggest that the Ace's choice may prove to be just as comfortable, though only time will reveal how it fares during prolonged use. In terms of weight, the Ace comes in lighter than the AirPods Max, which should enhance comfort during long listening sessions. Both models sit snugly on the head with a gentle clamping force that doesn't induce fatigue. Like the AirPods Max, the Ace's ear cups can swivel to lay flat for easy portability, concealing hinges for a sleek look and preventing any unfortunate hair entanglements. Color options also differ slightly. The Ace is available in black or soft white matte finishes, while the AirPods Max offers additional shiny variants such as silver, space gray, sky, blue, pink, or green. The Sonos Ace comes bundled with a matching travel case featuring a smaller pouch for essential cables, including a USB-C charging cable and a USB-C to 3.5mm audio cable. In contrast, the AirPods Max includes a rather flimsy protective cover for the ear pads only, with no audio cable included. Purchasing a separate Lightning to 3.5mm adapter may be necessary, as the AirPods Max utilizes a Lightning connection rather than USB-C, unlike recent iPhone models. Sonos has taken a page from the AirPods Max playbook when it comes to playback control and noise cancellation, opting out of touch controls, while the AirPods Max maintain a minimalist approach with just a button and a dial for volume control. The Sonos Ace adds a couple more buttons into the mix. On the left cup, you'll find buttons for power and Bluetooth pairing, while the right cup houses a button to toggle through noise cancellation and awareness modes, along with a versatile slider, or as Sonos calls it, an elongated content key for seamless volume and playback control. Both the Sonos Ace and AirPods Max relies solely on Bluetooth connectivity, omitting Wi-Fi for the time being, though Sonos hints at potential Wi-Fi integration in future iterations. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.4, the Ace supports lossless audio playback from compatible sources, thanks to Snapdragon Sound's API Tax Lossless and Apple's ALAC codec support. In contrast, the AirPods Max, being slightly older, feature Bluetooth 5.0 and lack support for lossless playback. Both headphones offer spatial audio with dynamic head tracking for immersive experiences in Dolby Atmos or 360 reality audio content, alongside Wear sensors that automatically pause playback when the headphones are removed. Additionally, active noise cancellation is a shared feature between the two models. When it comes to battery life, the Sonos Ace outshines the AirPods Max, boasting up to 30 hours of playback on a single charge and a rapid 3-minute charge, providing an extra 3 hours of playtime. In comparison, the AirPods Max manages only 20 hours of playback per charge with a 5-minute charge, yielding an additional 1.5 hours. For users of the Sonos Arc sound bar, the Ace offers an exclusive feature TV audio swap. With a simple button press, you can redirect sound from the sound bar to your headphones. The True Cinema calibration further enhances the experience by adjusting the audio to replicate the room's acoustics, creating a seamless transition that makes it feel as though you're not wearing headphones at all. As for the sound quality, the Sonos Ace prioritizes a sound signature characterized by clarity, openness, and punchy bass complemented by ample space and detailed nuances within the audio mix. In comparison, the AirPods Max offers a super crisp, spacious sound profile, loaded for its clarity, energy, and engaging precision. Both headphones utilize bespoke 40mm drivers tailored to their respective designs, suggesting that they are closely matched in performance and sonic delivery. The Sonos Ace will hit the shelves with a price tag of $449, which falls within the anticipated range. However, it's undeniably a premium price point for headphones, especially considering Sonos products typically maintain their retail prices. On the other hand, the Apple AirPods Max, launched back in December 2020 at a whopping $549, were once the priciest wireless headphones we'd encountered. Though they've been on the market for a while now and rumors of their successors abound, their recent price drops in certain regions to around $500 suggest a reasonable adjustment. While still commanding a premium over most wireless headphones, Sonos has managed to undercut one of its main competitors, despite being a newer entrant to the market. When it comes to battery life, the AirPods Max offer around 20 hours of usage with noise cancellation or spatial audio activated, which isn't particularly impressive compared to some competitors. However, a quick 5-minute charge can provide an additional hour and a half of playback. Real-world battery performance can vary based on factors like volume, content, and surroundings, but generally, it's not exceptional. In contrast, the Sonos Ace appears to boast a more generous battery life of approximately 30 hours, even with noise cancellation enabled. This aligns with the current standard for over Bluetooth headphones. What's more, the Sonos Ace features fast charging capabilities with just 3 minutes of charging yielding an extra 3 hours of playback. While we haven't independently verified these specifications yet, it certainly suggests that the Sonos Ace has the edge in the battery department. From the outset, the Sonos Ace faced a formidable challenge in competing with the AirPods Max. However, they've wasted no time in asserting themselves as serious contenders, with superior features, longer battery life, and a more competitive price point. The Sonos Ace holds its ground admirably, while the AirPods Max exudes a premium feel with their metal construction. The lightweight design of the Sonos Ace could tip the scales in its favor. The only clear advantage for the AirPods Max lies in their wider range of color options, contrasting with the more restrained palette offered by the Sonos Ace. So, that's all about the Sonos Ace versus AirPods Max. Do let us know what you think about this. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.